Hello guys, welcome to Coder. Today we are going to discuss and learn about how you can create subdomain in your hosting. So we are going to create one subdomain, and in that subdomain we are going to upload our Laravel application, and how then we can check whole process flow. So before we get started, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So let's get started. So as you can see, I have one hosting, and in this hosting I haven't created any subdomain. So here we are going to create one fresh subdomain, and in that subdomain we are going to upload our Laravel application, and then we will run that subdomain. So the first step we have to do, we are logged inside this cpanel account, and then we will find the subdomain part. So you can see inside domain we have subdomain. So once we click that one, it will redirect us to one page, and here whatever name we wanted to give, we can give the name of our subdomain. So I'm writing my Laravel app. So this is my subdomain name, and this is my root domain, which is Coder. And once I click on that one, so this will be like Laravel app name folder will be created inside our public.html. So don't worry, I will show you that one. So if I click on create, so it will take one or few seconds. Okay, so this one is created now. Okay, so now my domain name and subdomain. So this is my coder.com is my domain name, and we have created one subdomain. So subdomain name will be like Laravel app.coder.com. So this one is whole one is my subdomain, and for that one they have created one folder, and in that folder we are going to upload our Laravel application. So if we go inside Cpanel and if we go inside file manager, because all the uploading related process we always have to do inside file manager. So if you go inside public.html, you can see they have created one folder which is as same name as of my subdomain. So you can see they have created one folder with the same name what we have given inside our as a subdomain. So in this one we are going to upload our Laravel project. So if we try to run this one, so again if we go inside that one, we check the subdomain, because I'm going to copy my subdomain name. This one is laravel.coder.com. So if we try to open this one, it will show nothing because we haven't uploaded anything. But just to test whether this subdomain is working or not, so what we're gonna do, we are going to create one file which is index.html. So this one is just for testing purpose whether this subdomain is working or not. So I'm just going to write something Laravel testing app. Save this one. Now if we refresh this one, okay, so here you can see it is up and running. So that means because of not having content, it was showing us that error. So that means we have to upload one file, and this content is showing what I have uploaded as index.html. So I'm just going to delete this one because we are going to upload one Laravel application. So for that one, what we are going to do, first we have to, like, I have to install one Laravel application in my local. So I'm going to create one folder which is Laravel new app. Okay, and I'm going to install Laravel 8 inside that one. Laravel 8, and we will go inside installation, and where is Windows installation. Okay, so this one is my window app installation stuff. So git bash. Okay, so now we'll start our installation process. So for that one we just have to wait for a few minutes till it is getting installation. So guys, you can see it is finally installed. The Laravel 8 is installed in my system. So if we gonna check and run that one whether it is running in my local or not. So if you open this one, I'm just copying this name slash public. Okay, so that means this one is up and running, and this is the same application we are going to upload in our subdomain which we have created now. So for that one I have to make a zip of that one. So this one will be zip. Okay, so it will take few seconds, and then I will just ready my installation process. So if you go inside that one, upload, because we are going to upload inside Laravel app. So this one is Laravel app, and then okay, so zip is finally created, and this one I'm just going to drag and drop. Okay, it will be get uploaded very quickly. Okay, so this one is uploaded. Once it gets green, so that means you can say okay, this uploadation is successful. So we have to wait until it become fully green. And once this uploadation will take place, after that we will see how you can create database and how you can make that whole connection work. So you just have to wait for a few seconds more. Once it gets green, okay, so what we can do, we can just go by the time we can create our database. So first we have to go inside MySQL database wizard, and then we have to give the name of our database for our subdomain. So we can write uh, Laravel app, and then we have to give the username as well. So Laravel app user, and the password, this one is, then create user, and this one you have to give all the privilege to this user. Make changes. Okay, so and the only configuration you have to do next is you have to connect the user with that particular database. So Laravel app, and this, because this user we have created Laravel app user and database was Laravel app, so we have to connect with these two. So we have to click this one, make changes. Okay, once it is done, we'll go to our home dashboard, and once we click on PHP admin, you can able to see the database which we have created. So this one is the database which we have created now. Okay, and the password was new. But this password we need in order to upload our env file. Okay, so this one is green, and we will go inside our Laravel app. Okay, here we will extract this one. Okay, so okay, this extraction is done, fully completed. Okay, so this extraction is fully complete. I'm going to delete this one. I'm going to delete. Okay, now if we just go and run now if we go and run this application, we will see this type kind of thing. But if we write public, now refresh, now you can see your Laravel application is up and running. But now you must be wondering, we have created database but we haven't connected, so it's not a big deal. What we have to do, we just reload. Okay, you cannot able to see any env file, but it's because if you go settings show it in file, save, and that's how you can able to see all dot, because by default Cpanel always hide those configuration files, so you can able to change by going inside the setting. So .env, if you click this one, edit, and that's where you have to update like password, username and root. So once it is connected, just save this one, and then your application will be up and running. So you can see your application is fully up and running. And other than that, what you can do, you can just like you can create other subdomains and upload all the file, because if you are going to create WordPress also for WordPress, then you just create one subdomain and create the database in the same way and upload all your content there and make a database connection with WordPress as well. So that's how you can able to connect that one. Now you must be wondering, like suppose if you have to delete subdomain, then it's not a big deal, just go and remove this one, but make sure once you remove that one, your content related to that one will be deleted. So you have to be careful with that one. And okay, that's all guys. That's how you can create your stuff in this one. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.